guys. So someone asked me to make you guys a video of what I thought was beautiful. And to me, beautiful is not a girl who fits in the size 0 or size 2 dress. If anything, someone that's beautiful is someone who has a lot of confidence in themselves, someone who's comfortable with their body, and is just trustworthy, you know? So these are a couple words that define what I think is beautiful. And it's not just in women, guys too. Here we go.
Now we are in the crib on my sofa. Girl, I'm so glad you came over. I wanna tell you come closer, but I don't know if you feel like I feel. Tell me, girl, don't it feel good when I touch on it? Wouldn't it be nice if all night I was in you? Come kiss me, come with me down the hall to my bedroom. Tonight we'll be making love, making love, making love. Shadows on the wall while the candles burning. Messing up the bed while you sweating out your burning. Making love, making love, making love, making love. My hands rubbing on your skin. There's no I don't hold it in. Girl, let me wrap my legs around you. Been so happy ever since I found you. Just like a little glass of
Don't
candy.
care whether they're size. They're just judging. They're just hating. They're yourself. And you'll just be beautiful.
Take 'em all.